Hi, welcome to another weekly chapter of our Midjourney Challenges series with Type Dreams. I'm Melissa, I'm the founder of typedreams.site, and it's been a pleasure creating, being able to share some knowledge, perhaps some playfulness around what we create. Most importantly, that we can share it with each other and learn from each other too. So I want to thank all the people who have shared their creations. They are phenomenal. And this week it's about creating a storytelling scene of a high-tech train. And you can think of this train, it's going through this futuristic landscape. It has maybe some neon lights, the passengers, how are they dressed? Because this is kind of like a futuristic high-speed train going through, a city landscape. Maybe it's on a second floor, right? So you get to see hovering vehicles, perhaps. The passengers themselves could be otherworldly creatures. It could be a different planet. So let's just be as creative as we can, make it as detailed as we can, and let's get straight into it. Don't forget to share at Type Dreams Images, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, so we're in, and we're gonna go straight into it. So imagine a futuristic high-speed train with passengers from different different alien worlds, going through a futuristic cityscape. The aliens are colorful and varied. Ultra HD, hyper-realistic, futuristic. Okay, let's see how this goes. So it's a hyper-realistic, futuristic, high-speed train with passengers from different alien worlds going through a futuristic cityscape. The aliens are colorful and varied. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, it's giving me the train, the high-speed train, but I can't see inside the train. So either we make a choice, the interior or the exterior. So in an interior shot of a hyper-realistic, futuristic high train with passengers. So it has to be an interior shot, otherwise we're not going to see the aliens, and that's also part of it. So let's change that. Now it didn't give me the aliens, so check alien or alien. Oh, it's 1L. It's 1L. Okay, so this is a misspelling thing. Let's do it again. Alien inspired by Star Wars. And let's submit. See what we get there. This is interesting. A spelling mistake can really cost, what's gonna be in the scene. So it just didn't understand what I was trying to say. It was a world of aliens. One thing I do like about this is that you see the interior and you also see the landscape of the cityscape. That's very interesting. Here we go. We have the train. We have what it appears to be aliens, but it's a bit boring, so I'm not entirely sure. I like this color. I'm going to imagine a group of aliens from different colors, sizes, and anatomy. crammed together inside a train. The aliens and monsters have different personalities, and anatomy. I know I said anatomy, but just to really enhance the anatomy part. We don't want kind of like clones of the same. It just makes it boring. But more so a varied, array of aliens. Oh wow, it definitely did it this time. Look at this. And this is kind of what I was thinking originally, but it still needs a bit of work. So, hyper realistic, HD, cinema 4D render of a group. Cinema 4D render. I'm also gonna do Z Rush Central cinema 4D render of a group of aliens. Rule of thirds composition. Aspect ratio will be horizontal 3:2. So let's see. Let's have a look. I mean, I think they're very quirky though. They do have like I mean, they imagine if you were in a train with these creatures, what would you do? Anyway, it's fun. It's fun to try different things in Midjourney, and we'll get there. Now, what's happening now? Like, okay, this I want to go with this variation, so I'm gonna try and rescue variation number 2. Sitting together inside a high-speed train. And the windows display the city. Okay, let's try it out. And it was going towards this direction. It's definitely not a horror movie. It's meant to be cute, but this is starting to become a bit gross. So it was something like this, kind of like that Star Wars feel of characters. And we'll wait and see. I kind of like this one. This is very nice. This is also cool, but this has a little bit more. What I like about it is that it looks a bit like an illustration, not quite, but it has all these varied style characters. And let's see, what was the other one that we liked? We liked this one. So I'm gonna upscale number 4. I'm gonna upscale number 2 here, and let's kind of copy link of number 1, copy link of number 2, and yeah, let's just click enter and see what happens. I'm just curious. We might get something interesting. Okay. So yeah, I think it did merge both, but it's trying to clone and it's starting to become quite bland, and I don't really like that. But we could try and vary this a little bit by cinema 4D hyper realistic render of a group of aliens from different colors, sizes, and anatomy sitting inside a high-speed train. Okay, yeah, let's try just one more and see what happens. This is the thing, right? Sometimes you just have to try many different things until you get the result you want. I'm happy with this train, but I'm not happy with the aliens, and then here I'm happy with the aliens, but I'm not necessarily super happy about the train. So it's give or take. Oh, I like this is cool. Like, it just they're so funny. This is cool too. The fact that you can see the city is very important, and you know, they're even looking at camera. So yeah, let's go back to the other one. This is more illustration. Now it looks a tiny bit more realistic. So yeah, this is it. This is our tutorial. Have fun with it. Try different things. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!